Alright, if you ever had a pool robot that misses half your pool, gets stuck on a drain, or maybe has a 5 foot cord, hmm, you're gonna want to see this. Today, I'm diving into the side by side comparison of a four robotic pool cleaners: the BeatBot AquaSense 2, AquaSense 2 Pro, AquaSense 2 Ultra, and the wired legend, the Dolphin Premier. Let's find out which one actually earns a spot in your backyard. Let's go. Now, here's a quick rundown. The AquaSense 2 is an entry level product for BeatBot, but still way better than most other pool cleaners. It's also the first 3-in-1 with water surface parking, cleaning the floor, wall, and waterline. The AquaSense 2 Pro adds water surface cleaning and a natural water clarifier. How about the Ultra? Now, this thing is a smart piece with a full AI mapping, debris detection, and more. And the Dolphin Premier has been around forever. Still powerful, but very random and outdated. Now, one of these feels like the future, and another one feels like 2010. Now, visually, the BeatBots look slick. The Ultra even has a turtle shell vibe that helps reduce drag in water. All of them are coated with an automotive grade IMR finish. No fading, cracking, or heat damage. Now they've got side wheels and roller brushes for better agility. And here's the big difference: no cords, no tangles, and no limits. The Dolphin Premier, it's solid build, but it looks like it came from a pool supply catalog in 2008.
I mean, just look at this setup, okay? It just took so long. This is actually times 10 on the speed here. And the cords just keep tangling while I'm trying to unravel it. As the Dolphin Premier also keeps going through your pool, the cord will get stuck. So you can't just leave because it might tangle on something else.
Now, the AquaSense 2 cleans the floor, walls, and waterline. It has a dual pass waterline scrubbing. It has up to 4 hours of battery life and no surface cleaning. The AquaSense 2 Pro,
Does everything the AquaSense 2 can do. And
it adds the water surface cleaning pattern, natural clarifier made from recycled crab shells, and 11 hours surface runtime.
And looking at all three here, as you could see, the AquaSense 2 Pro has these side fins, while the AquaSense 2 doesn't have any, and the AquaSense 2 Ultra has that spinning fins on the front side.
The AquaSense 2 Ultra has the AI powered debris detection, 12 plus leaf types. It also handles multi level platforms. It also has adaptive path planning, dual side brushes for edge cleaning, industry first 11 motor system for precision, AI mapping. It has a camera, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors. Now think of it as having eyes, ears, and sonar working together to map your pool and plan the perfect cleaning path. Now the Dolphin Premier, it has a powerful suction, sure, but it has no surface cleaning, no clarifier, and no double waterline scrub. It's very random as well on the cleaning pattern. Now, if you're a perfectionist, the AquaSense 2 Pro and the Ultra are in a league of their own. Now, this is where the BeatBot takes the lead. The AquaSense 2 has 16 sensors with smart patterns. It has no surface cleaning. It includes two ultrasonic sensors as well. The AquaSense 2 Pro has 22 sensors with water surface cleaning, and the AquaSense 2 Ultra has 27 sensors. It comes with AI camera, infrared, and ultrasonic as well. It also does a pool map cleaning, but it's only visible after cleaning. When robots resurface, it connects to the Wi-Fi, and that's how it's given to the app. And the AI quick mode option targets debris fast. Now, the Dolphin, It has no app, no map, just push a button and cleaning path is completed and viewable after cleaning. Now the vertical wireless dock means easy drop-in charging. The AquaSense 2 takes 4 hours to charge, and the 2 Pro and Ultra is 4.5 hours. So it's really not that bad to charge it. Now, when done or low on battery, they float near the pool's edge for easy grab.
Now, to retrieve it, all you gotta do is hit park. That will get rid of all the water that is inside the system, and now you can pull it out. And that way, when you pull it out, it's super easy.
Now, the Dolphin, it's old school cable. It syncs when it's done. Now, a few cool extras here is the clarifier system in the 2 Pro and Ultra, AI debris scanning on the Ultra, and a dual side brushes with the Ultra. Also, it does the voice alerts where it says battery low or clarifier needs replacing.
Now, unfortunately, all the baskets on each AquaSense 2 Pro and also Ultra are all different. Right now, we're just going to show you that you can't use or interlock them. It just doesn't fit. The Ultra obviously has a bigger tray, and Pro I thought was the same, but I tried that out as well, and it still doesn't fit the Ultra. That's very interesting how they use different trays for that.
Now, all BeatBots have a 3-year replacement warranty, biodegradable clarifier as well, and no exposed wires on dock. Now, the Dolphin has up to 3 years, but parts only. Good luck shipping it too. Now, I tested it in a couple of pools here, and the Ultra has sharp turns, edge to edge cleaning, perfect for complex pools as well. And the 2 Pro has impressive surface cleaning and water clarification. And the AquaSense 2 is pretty good as well, but it has the basic floor and side cleaning. The Dolphin, sometimes it gets stuck and it has no surface cleaning. And the cleaning for the Dolphin Premier is very random, so you might miss some spots. Now, the AquaSense 2 Ultra is the most cutting edge technology in pool cleaning. AquaSense 2 Pro is a more advanced, all in one, all scenario solution. And the AquaSense 2 has the best value for money upgrade from a traditional corded robots like Dolphin Premier. Now, although the overall functions of the AquaSense 2 are not as good as those Ultra and 2 Pro, it is a very cost-effective choice for upgrading from a traditional wired robot to an intelligent wireless robot. And you still get the floor cleaning and the sidewall waterline cleaning. Now, if you want your robot to basically clean itself while you chill, BeatBot nailed it, especially the Ultra. It's like having a submarine butler that never complains. Now, links are below. Like, subscribe, and ask me any questions and drop your pool or stories on the comments below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.